Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Is it visible on PPT?
Yes, sir.
Yes. All right. So, what about others? Only 11, 16 are there.
Because sir, morning classes.
Huh? Still they didn't get up. Huh? Still they are sleeping.
Yes.
If it is offline, you are coming. If you are coming to college, it will take time. Okay. At least 7:30 you should get up now. Early morning, actually, early morning you should get up. Apurva,
Yes, sir.
why you are not written properly test?
Um,
Huh? Have you written all the questions?
yes, sir.
Where you have written? I hope you have not written. I'll discuss anyway marks also.
Okay, sir.
You will see. Anyway, probably I'll finish this. Anyway, only few slides are there. Second unit. So I'll complete this. Then we'll discuss feedback of the second test.
Okay, sir.
Sorry, ma. Which Apurva is talking?
Sir, regular.
Regular. Regular Apurva only. What is your number?
06, sir.
06. 06, no? You got very less mark. Anyway, we'll see that later, no problem. Right. So last class we had discussed about the survey instruments. Even I shown preparing and designing survey questions and sample questionnaires. So we have discussed this, and sample questionnaires up to there have told. So when we are conducting any workshops, FDPs or anything, or when you are preparing projects or whatever it may be, finally we have to take the feedback for the end user side. So here you might have seen when we are conducting technical talk or PBL or beyond syllabus or partial delivery. So end of the day, we are taking the feedback with some questions with respect to that one. So how was the speaker, whether it is relevant to the subject or not. Like this, we need to take that one. So whether it is useful or not. So what is your suggestions? What is your comments to conduct the next event? So like this, some of the questions they will be taking. So if something goes wrong, so they can able to rectify that errors. So if something went wrong means they can rectify the errors next upcoming events. That is the reason everybody will be taking the feedback. So feedback is most important. So then only we'll come to know where we have done mistakes, which area to be rectified, which area to be errors went, and how to rectify that errors. That is the reason we are taking the feedback. So we are human beings. One or two mistakes will happen. So that when we are conducting big events and all, so we'll be taking the feedback. So then we'll be rectifying that errors. So even if you are going to hotel also, they will be taking the feedback. So all these things. So that is nothing but the, so whatever happened. Now how to go ahead, how to rectify the errors. That is what the sample questions here. Some of the questions we have seen. Rate overall the useful of the workshop format and individual activities from 1 to 5. So the one question, please rate the morning speaker presentation, whatever they will cover the syllabus, and 1 to 5, how much you can give for that, how much you understood that. So acceptancy test, this also have told you how to accept that one. Acceptance test is nothing but time to learn the specific functions. So whenever they are giving any specific topic. For example, if you are taking Python functions or files, so whether they have covered that particular or not, whether they have given relevant examples or not. So whether you understood how you have received, whether you have done hands-on experience, whatever it may be. So all these things you need to discuss. Speed task performance. So speed task performance, a rate of errors of the users, and human relation of the commands over time, and subject to user satisfaction. All these things, whatever we are doing, so these things to be considered and we have to do it. So up to here I have done it. I hope acceptance test also I have done it, and evaluation during the active use. From here I have to say we need to discuss from here evaluation during the active use. So evaluating during the active use. So this is nothing but the how you will be evaluating during the active uses. So here is some of the points they were given. Successful active use requires contain the attention from dedicated managers, user services, personnel, and maintenance staff. So evaluating during the active use is nothing but what? When we are conducting. So now offline, there is different story. So sorry, online. So if it is offline, so how they have given the hospitality, so how we have reached all these things, whether they have taken care, whether they have given water facility or not. So whether when they are giving demo, whether audible, audio, video. So all these things to be considered matters. That is what the evaluation of the during the active use. So actually what happened when the function is going on, or when the activities are going on, when the workshops are going on, that is what you need to think. Evaluation, based on that, if you evaluate it perfectly, then even mistakes are there also, we can rectify next time. So that is what. So no need to write everything good. Even we have to write it properly, and even we have to take it acceptance. Acceptance is most important. Suppose if I am teaching something problematic, if you are not understanding, if you somebody says, sir, I didn't understand, teacher has to say once again. Then that is what the positive. So how to tell, I have told in detail, and our teacher cannot say that. So everything they have to take it positively. Even any customer is not understanding, they have to repeat that one. So even if they're asking the questions, they should be able to tell that answers. That is what they have to do it. So that is what the successful active users requires constant attention from the dedicated managers, user services, personnel, and maintenance staff. All these things will be coming into the picture. Next is perfection is not attainable. Perfection is not attainable, but percentage of improvement are possible. So that is what the perfection is not attainable. Perfection is not attainable, but the percentage of the improvements are the possible. So percentage of the improvement is possible. So perfectness, everything goes right, that no problem. Where went wrong, that one only to be taken care. So even if you are giving feedback, so based on that, we need to consider where went wrong, that one. Perfection no need to consider. So that is what the evaluation during the active use. So interviews and focus group discussions, when you're conducting the group discussions, these are all the points to be considered. Interviews with the individual users can be productive because the interviewer can pursue the specific issues of the concern. So here is interviewer, what he'll be doing. So how they are discussing, how much they are having the knowledge. That's what whenever placements happening, some of the companies they're giving group discussions also. Group discussions why they are giving is, so they want to see maybe communication skills, or how much you are having subjects, or your attitude, how you will be involving in the work. So all these things to be considered. So that is the reason they'll be keeping the group discussions. Group discussions, they'll be find out maybe how much you are having communication skills, how much you are having depth of that knowledge, how you are involving, what is your attitude also. So in that towards the work, so how much sincerity you are having. So that is what this point. Interviews with the individual users can be productive because the interviewer can pursue the specific issues of the concern. So they will be saying what are the issues you are discussing, what are the issues you are either for or against. So whatever it may be, so what are the issues you are focusing. That is what they will be concern, they will be seeing that. So next one is group discussions are valuable to ascertain the universality of the comments. So group discussion is more valuable, so more important or most important that is what the duration of the process. Next is continuous user performance data or logging. Continuous. So if you are conducting 5 days workshop or 10 days training or whatever it may be, continuous is required. Then only users can understand or users can perform something. So suppose if you are selecting for company, they are giving 10 days workshop, means 10 days training, means all the 10 days you need to attend. Then only you can perform the later stages the task. Suppose if you are not attending 4 days or 5 days or irregular, then it will be difficult to perform the later stages the task. So that is what most important. So any task, if you want to do it, you have to attend. So that is most important. So continuous users performance data logging. The software architecture should make it easy for the system managers to collect data about. So these are all the things. The pattern of the system usage. So they need to consider the pattern of the system usage, speed of the user performance, rate of the errors, frequency of request for online assistance. Suppose these are all the things we need to consider. So suppose if it is online, means now whenever you are doing the how they are utilizing that one. So what is the performance of the speed? So that means when you are, for example, if you are taking website, so if you are giving 1,000 persons can use at a time. Suppose if 1,000 persons using at a time, what is the speed that? So that is also most important. So how it is working, and even if goes wrong, so you have to take that feedback. That means what? So maybe through customer or through phone or whatever it may be, you need to solve that particular problems if they are getting the errors. That is what the frequency of request for online assistance. So how you are giving the online assistance if they're getting the errors. So all these things to be keep in that mind. So speed also, how it will be working, that one, and rate of the errors and the system usages and online assistance. These things to be considered when you are developing any softwares. So major benefits of guidance to system maintenance in optimizing performance and reducing the cost for all the participants. So major benefits is nothing but guidance to the system maintenance in optimizing the performance and reducing the cost for all participants. So that is always there when we are doing business. We have to reduce the cost and we have to get the more benefit. Here also same thing. So optimizing the performance and reducing the cost. That is what the most important. So online why they are doing is nothing but so to reduce the cost. So now you are seeing many cases banking online or railway tickets. All these things they reduce the cost also, because we are sitting at home, we are booking the railway tickets or air tickets. All these things they reduce the cost. Otherwise, what we used to do 10 years back or 15 years back, if you think, we should go to the railway station, we have to book the tickets and we should come in. So nowadays it's not like that. We are sitting at home, we are opening that one. If vacancies are there, we can book the tickets. That is what we are doing. So that is what the optimizing the performance and reducing the cost of all the participants. So all the participants is nothing but, for example, if you take railway also, what is happening? So automatically reducing the cost. If I want to go to railway station and should come back, means so either I should go by two-wheeler or car or by bus or whatever it means. That is, I have to spend the time and I have to spend the cost. If it is here, means if I have the system or mobile, I can book the tickets automatically. My time saving and I can reduce the cost also. So probably internet charges they are putting 5 rupees. That's all. But okay. So even if I want Yelahanka to Majestic, if I want to go by bus, I have to spend maybe 30 rupees or 40 rupees. Again to and fro. So that is what the optimizing the performance and cost, all these things. So next is online or telephone consultants or email and online session boxes. All these things. See, supporting is nothing but we are seeing many cases. So customer support sometimes through phone, sometimes through mail, sometimes any online sessions, all these things to be considered. So that is what the online or telephone consultants, emails, and online registration boxes. So many users feel reassured if they know there is a human assistance available. So another one is on some network systems, the consultants can monitor the user's computer and see the same display that the user sends. So that is what the second one. And next one is online session box or email trouble reporting is nothing but, so you have that this is what the facilities, electronic mail to the maintainers or designers. So for some users, writing a letter may be seen as requiring too much effort. So writing a letters, it will take so much time. So either if you are going for email, best, or if it is through online, still best, through telephone, whatever it may be. So that is what the how to solve that problems. So some of the cases they want the proof, we have to write the email communication. If they're not working all these things, we should go for the email communication. So when to use, where to use, based on the situations, they have to do it. So if they're able to solve some of the cases through online only, that is best. So easily we can, if they're able to solve it, so we can go ahead with our work. So discussion groups, wikis and news groups is nothing but permit the postings of open messages and questions. So this is what you have to allow the users to posting the questions and messages. So like that also we can do it. So some are independent, example America Online and Yahoo. So this is the some of the cases. If you take it, they're independent. So if you are having any problems, some of the cases we have to send through mails only, because we are using Yahoo mail IDs, all these things free only. So some of the cases like that. So next one is topics list and where to topics list to be given. So which type of error, where to approach all these things. Suppose if you are giving customer care for banking, if you are going, they'll be asking either two loan or home loan, two-wheeler loan or car loan or personal loan, something like that. For example, if you call for HDFC Bank. So all these things you have to give the options, topic list, that is what the. So otherwise, when you are dialing for the customer care, if you want to continue with English, press 1. If it is Hindi, press 2. If it is local language, you press some other numbers. If you want to speak to customer care, press 9. So like that, topics list to be given. So sometimes moderators, so some cases moderators are required. So social systems. Another one is called the comments and suggestions should be encouraged. Comments and suggestions to be encouraged. So then only we can find where went wrong. So if you are not considering somebody, people opinion, so then next time onwards, even something goes wrong, also nobody will give the opinion. So then what will happen? The system will collapse. So we are seeing some of the companies, the society, some they'll be developing, sometimes they'll collapse it. So that is what. So working place, we should encourage giving the suggestions, comments, all these things. So we have to analyze that whether it is genuine or not. So if it is genuine, may be considered. If it is not genuine, can leave it. So all the comments, all the suggestions may not be able to solve for all the cases. So if it is based on the situations, if something goes, if you feel that that is the reason, everywhere group of the people will be there. So one man decision always is not correct. So many people will be there. So even if they take that particular decision, whether it will go to the right direction or not, that's what they'll be thinking, and they'll be taking care of that. That is what they evaluating during the active cases. So for example, they got some error evaluation during the active cases, they'll then the screenshot and they'll send it. So even Google Forms, some cases we are sending, when we are sending the Google Forms, what will happen? So you people are sending, sir, I'm not able to access that screenshot, they'll save it and send it. So that is what here also same thing, the report, the bug error. So when we are doing this process, so we are getting the errors. So bug report using the Google Chrome browser, this one. So they will be telling, so don't use Google Chrome, so go for Mozilla or Internet Explorer, something like that. So some of the cases they will be telling. Otherwise, if it is really error, they need to rectify that. They want to resolve that problems. These were the some example for the errors. So next one is controlled psychologically oriented experiments. So how you will be controlling the psychological oriented experiments. So some of the exercises example, scientific and engineers progresses is often stimulated by improved techniques for the precise measurements. So in this case, what will happen? Scientific and engineering progress is always to be improved. So here is always to be improved. So some of the problems will be this in the scientific and engineering problems always to be rectified. So improve that one. So for example, if you take car, so today, for example, if you take Maruti, so one version is coming. So they will be thinking that how to engineering people how to develop that. So like this, all the fields, not only vehicle field, even other fields also. Even so nowadays we are seeing even sensors we are doing projects. So at home, even if we are not there as a so suppose if we are setting the time 6 o'clock, switch on the lights, it will on it, and again early morning 5 o'clock, if I want to off that, automatically it will be off. We are seeing that even water levels. So when we are pumping the from sump to tank, so we are fitting the automatic systems. So that is what the improvement. So whether the person is there or not, when it is coming down the water level in tank, so automatically switch on the motors. So persons are not required. So that is what the engineering developments and scientific and engineering progresses is often stimulated by improved techniques for the precise measurements. So precise measurements, so that is important. So with the measurements also required. So next is a rapid progress in the designs of the interfaces will be stimulated as researchers and practitioners evolve the suitable human performance measures and techniques. So these were the another examples for the psychological oriented experiments. So when we are doing already experiments are there. If you want, when we are doing, so still we can, if we are able to develop, we can develop the scientific and engineering field. So scientific engineers progress is often stimulated by the improve the techniques for the precise measurements. So this is what the next one is the outline of the scientific methods as applied to human computer interaction might compromise these tasks. So these are all the tasks we need to discuss. Deal with the simple words, just I'll read see one by one. So deal with the practical problems and consider the theoretical framework. So what we have to do is we have to deal with the practical problems and consider the theoretical framework also. So some of the problems, some of the theorems we are showing, so we need to consider that also. So when you are doing the experimental problems, so some of the example, for example, Python theorem, so mathematics. So they have shown that. So some of the theorems they have proved it. So this is the equations. So they will be taking and they will be proving that. So when you need to consider both. So deal with the practical problems and consider the theoretical framework also. Theoretical frameworks, whatever it is there, we need to consider that and we have to show the practical example. So nowadays, even when we are doing projects also, so if you want to find out the shortest path, you are using some of the algorithms in the networks. So Dijkstra's algorithm or some of the network issues, network problems also you are using to find the shortest path, all these things. Next is state a liquid and testable hypothesis. So hypothesis always important. So you are assuming H0, H1 hypothesis. So I'll be assuming that this is the hypothesis and you will be comparing the results purpose, null hypothesis will be checking. So last semester you might have learned the test the hypothesis cases, H0, H1, so you might have written it. So you will be assuming that what is the hypothesis for the particular problems and finally what happened. So based on the results, you will be writing the hypothesis, either less than or greater than or equal, whatever it may be. So you'll be writing the hypothesis cases. Next is identify a small number of independent variables that are to be manipulated. So identify small numbers. So some cases independent numbers variables so that can be manipulated if required. Carefully choose the dependent variables that will be measured. So carefully choose the independent variables that will be measured. Next is judicially select the subjects and carefully or randomly assign the subjects to the groups. So here is what you have to do is select the subjects and carefully or randomly assign the subjects or the groups. So when you are assigning that, you can select the randomly or some of the people, specific people. So if they are strong with that, you can assign to that particular people only to execute that jobs. That is what that one. Next, control for biasing factors, non-representative sample of subjects or selection of the task, inconsistent testing procedures. That is what this one. Apply statistical methods to data analytics. Resolve the practical problems, refine the theory, and give advice to the future researchers. So this is what always important. So resolve the practical problems. We need to resolve the particular practical problems, refine the theories, whatever existing theories is available, you can refine it and give the advice to the future researchers. So when we are doing researches, so we have to tell these are the problems will be coming. So when you are doing IoT projects now, what is happening? So you are finding some of the problems and you are doing. So again, what you are doing at the end of the semester, after completing your projects, when you are concluding this future enhancement also you are telling. So these are the problems I have solved it, and you can solve the following problems future also. That means what? You are reading the current, whatever they have done it. So what can be done? They might have given some of the future enhancement. That one will be taking and you are solving and future enhancement what it can be done. So that is what the future research advice to the future researchers. So any project whenever we are doing, we need to give the future enhancement. That means what? You are giving the advice to the upcoming future researchers. That is what the last point. So resolve the practical problems, refine the theory, and give advice to the future researchers. So another one is apply the statistical methods to data analysis. So statistical, some of the methods are there. You know that you have learned it already. For example, if you take binomial, Poisson, normal distribution, probability density functions, all these things. So which distribution is useful for analyzing that one, so you can apply for the statistical methods. So machine learning, all these things, statistical problems. That is the reason they kept it in statistics also, majority in your subjects. So statistics also, mathematics also most important when we are solving the problems. So who are all strong in mathematics, they can write the programming also easily, they can understand also easily. Next is control psychologically oriented experiments continuation. Control the experiments can help fine tuning the human computer interfaces of activity using the systems. So when we are doing experiments, the human computer interfaces also required. So how we are doing the interfaces? So IoT projects we are doing yesterday, people, some of the people were showing. So sensors, how it will be working, all these things. So interfaces also most important. So you have the idea and you have to take that items, you need to connect it one to one, then only you can show your projects. That is what the interfaces, that is what that one. Control the experiments can help fine tuning the human computer interfaces of actively used systems. So then only we can use it the actively. Next is performance could be compared with the controlled group. So performance also we have to calculate that one. So how it will be working, all these things. So then only we can develop. That is what the how we are growing that particular companies. So that means what? So whenever they want again new projects, so the existing customers only brand ambassadors for them. So they are the giving advertisements. So for example, if you are buying any class in particular shop, you will be telling, say there it is very good and worth for that, paying for that. So that is what the customers are the future ambassadors for the any business. So that is the reason any company they will be connecting with to the end users. So end users opinion is most important to develop any companies or any organization with respect to their items. So either IT or non-IT, whatever it may be. So who are doing the business, they are the ambassadors, future ambassadors for advertisements. So for example, if you are learning now, you are studying MCA program here. Suppose if you are telling to other people, then only they will come and join it here. So you will be suggesting that. So whether it is good college or whatever it may be. So that is what the who are all the end users. So they have to take care. Next is performance could be compared with the control group. Next is dependent measure and user retention over time. So section. So how you are how you are giving the access for that. So how the performance will be taken. So you are storing their informations maybe somewhere, maybe cloud or database or whatever it may be. So when they are able to access that particular items, so how they are able to reaching that one, how the performance. So performance is most important. When they are retrieving the data, if it is taking so much time to fetch the data, so that is not the good performance. So whenever they are searching, immediately they have to get the particular whatever they are searching, that informations. So that is the most important. Now this is what the fourth chapter, and now we'll start tomorrow next unit, that is called the third unit. Now I'll be discussing the internal marks. Yes. Now you can view your marks. Just I'll not read your marks here. Just I'll say what are the comments, what I have observed is what to be done for the upcoming examination, how you have to write it. Right. So here is some of the questions are available, internal test question papers and scheme of evaluation. Just I'll tell you how you have done, where done mistakes, how to write it. So first of all,
Sir, you have sent junior's mark sheet, sir.
madam, two files are there in that. One is UID, another one is called ADA.
Okay, sir, I'll check.
Yeah, both files are there. Do you got it now? Maybe system you can open it. I don't know whether you mobile you can be able to open it or not. Right, sir. So just overall discussions. First of all, You have written it. So only some of the people were, see here, for example, I will show you now. Scheme solution I have written, no? So just these points to be there and examples should be there. So they have written only small. Second question for they have written, for example, life critical systems, so industrial. These things to be explained. So when you have the 8 marks, you have to write explanation in detail. You take some example with respect to that and you explain it. You have to write the explanation. So if you write it only key points and headings, so you will not get full marks. UID, any theory subject, not only this. Programming, okay. Problematic, exactly you are writing that, and equations you are writing. That's what I used to say. Length is not required when you are solving the programming subjects and problematic subjects. So for example, if you take ADA, what happened there? I told you no need, length is not required. Just write the comments. What happened? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Connected now?
Yes, sir.
But nothing is visible for me.
From your side, it's network connection, sir.
Some network issue through mobile have connected. Right. Now, for example, questions. Right. So I have given define interface. Interfaces, you know the definitions, you have to write it. Discuss two essential components. 4 components are there. Any 2 components can be written here. Discuss the various factors interface design that need to be considered for the human interfaces design. So human interfaces design. So what are the things you can take? Any example, your own example you can take and you can write it. Maybe few people they have written it. Every maximum people they have selected the second question. List out usability motivations. So you need to list out the usability motivations. So motivations is nothing but this one: life critical systems, industrial and commercial issues, home and entertainment applications, exploratory, creative and collaborative interfaces, socio-technical systems, and one example. So see the questions again. discuss with an example of exploratory, creative, and collaborative interfaces. So these two things you need to give one example and you have to write it. So just one page also many people they have not written it here. So you will not get full marks in this case. First of all, theory you have to write it properly. So with respect to examples, you write it. So if you are feeling bit small answers that you have to elaborate that. That is what you need to do it. That is what the most important. So if you are writing shortcuts, you will not get full marks. Next is discuss different goals for our profession in usabilities, interface systems design. So here is, this is the 3 influencing academic and industrial researchers, providing tools, techniques and knowledge for commercial designers, raising the computer consciousness of the generic public. So this is the 3, and I have asked discuss the different goals for our professions in the usabilities interface system design. So that you need to explain it. So you have to give the explanation for that. Next is discuss any 4 universal usabilities of the interface systems. So any 4 you have to write it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are there. So in this, any 3 you can choose and you can explain it. So this many people written it. So variations in physical abilities and physical workplaces. So when you are giving the variations in the physical abilities and the physical workplace. So when you are working that, so what is the abilities and what it should be there. So next is diverse cognizant and perceptual abilities. Next is personality differences, cultural and international diversity, users and disabilities. Next is older adults. So this is what you need to discuss. Any 3 to be written, because you cannot write within the stipulated time for all the 6. Next is write 8 golden rules of the interface design in the principles. Identify and discuss of your different tasks for your mini project using the interface design. See, the question is 8 golden rules. This is the golden rules, you have to write it. For example, what I told is whatever you have chosen for your mini project. So for that, you have to write the golden rules, whatever it is there, you applied that with respect to your example, you need to write it. So many people, they have not written only examples for this, just only explanation they have given it. So that is not correct. You have to write your example. That is the reason I have given your mini project. So here you have written the golden rules, strive for the consistency, cater to universal usabilities, informative feedback, and design dialogue, yield closure, preventing errors. So with respect to your errors, one by one, you have to write it. So with 8 rules and with your mini project, which is applicable for you, that you have to write it. So that some people written, many people not written that one. So next one is, the 6th question is analyze social impact statements for early design reviews and legal issues for your given project. So legal issues that you have to discuss, and we have to write the legal issues. See here, I have written the legal issues, what material is eligible for the copyrights, and all the copyrights are patents more appropriate for user interfaces. So these are the legal issues, and this one outline the development process, describe the new system for its applications. These are the key points, because when we are writing the scheme solutions, we cannot elaborate here answers like you, we cannot write it here. So these are the key points for the evaluator perspective, we have written it here. So we need to write it in detail. So what's happening is, theory subjects, what you thought is anyway textbook will be there, SAR questions will be given. So that time we can search and write it. If you think like that, it is difficult. You have to study before itself, then you will get the idea. So directly, if you want to copy it, what will happen? 1 or 2 questions you will be writing. Then afterwards, you will not get time. Within 1.5 hours, you have to complete it. So then you will write half of the page. Some people, they have written only 4 questions. That is what's happening. So I'll tell you, open book only bit difficult to write the examination. If I'm giving problems here, it is work a theory, you can write it. If it is problematic, if I give the my new values, what will happen? If you don't know how to solve the problem, it is very difficult. That to be taken care. So here is, because of the COVID pandemic, you are at home, so that you have to study it before writing the examinations. So you should know entire syllabus for the test. Then only you can be able to write it. So maybe one or two. Okay, so main headings, even if you forgot it, but you have to write it elaborately. You have to read the textbook, then only you can be able to write it. So this many people done wrong. I don't know why. Discuss the 4 pillars of the design techniques. Design the document process to prepare the brochure. So what I told you, see, first what you have to do is you have to write the 4 designing techniques. I have shown you the diagram also. So I'll show you the diagram also. It is here only. 4 pillars. So this diagram only, success 4 pillars of the diagram, and what have given question is, and to prepare the brochure. For your brochure, how you will be developing, how you will be applying that 4 applications I have asked. So that you have to write it. Many people, that some people, they have not written diagram only. So without diagram, you will not get marks here. So I should give 3 or 4 marks only. So then to prepare the brochure, for example, I have given sports day. So for that, how you are applying the 4 pillars. That is what you have to take. You can take any example. Just have given for the sports day. You could take farewell function or project exhibition or open day, whatever it may be. You can take any one example for that brochure. That 4 pillars you have to write, analyze, design, code, or whatever it may be. So how is your preparation with respect to 4 pillars design techniques? That is what you have to write it. Next is, the next question is, here is, I've written it here, see here, 4 pillars, that 4 pillar and example. So these 4 you need to design first. You need to explain that. Then you have to take the brochure for any one example. Then you have to design for with respect to the 4 pillar design. So here one scenario I have given. In today's the digital world, we value speech and simplicity. So digital word is simplicity only. Simplicity is nothing but, just now we have discussed the example railway ticket also. Or purchasing, nowadays we are purchasing many things, even shoes, dress, even home applications, mobiles. Only this online, only through online we are purchasing. No need to go to town or no need to go to the particular shop, all these things. So even village people also, they're sitting there in village and they're booking that one. So the persons they're going and giving. So that is what that one. One-click shopping and real-time updates on everything from the world news to what your friend had for lunch. For example, you can be able to find out somebody is in New Zealand or America or Australia, whatever it may be. Just through phone we are finding out what you had it. So that much simplicity it is happening now. But somehow the potential engaging the activities of the booking the flight is accurately quite opposite. So now having dinner, had lunch or not, that is different case. So flight booking ticket is different now. For that you design the architecture for booking the ticket of the flight. So how you will be designing to book the ticket. So book the ticket is nothing but, so what information is required for that. So destination. No? So that architecture diagram you need to design it. So answers need not to be the same architecture diagram what have designed it or what you have designed it. So what is there in your assumptions, what you feel it, that you present it here. That's all. So that is what the innovative and case study intention. You don't worry for that. Whatever it is there in your mind, no problem, right or wrong doesn't matter. So how you are thinking, how you are applying the user interface design, that's what we need exactly. That's all. So don't think, so if I write it like this, so this may be wrong. All these things don't keep it in your mind. You whatever it is there in your mind, you write it. No problem. So then we'll write the comments for that. Then you can rectify it. So what I observed is many people they've written half of the page, and many people they have not scanned properly. That also you are in 5th semester, no? So they have told it with your register number you have to save your file name. That also you are not following first instruction itself. Next is you need to properly put the margins, within the margins write the register question numbers. That also you are not doing. So you will write it 1 2 3 4 points, and 5th question answer you will be writing. So either that question answer or 5th question answers we are not able to have. Sometimes it is very difficult. By seeing answer I have to identify which questions. Somebody not written properly the question numbers. So that is what most important. Write it properly. You put the margins because you have enough time. First itself you make it book, you will be having that book. You make it the margins properly. Within the margins only write the question numbers. Remaining all these things you write it here. Properly scan it and send it. I'll show you somebody one page portable, one size is like this. So they have done it wrong way. So one page, one is up and reverse order or port size. So which way they want, they have scanned it. So you have to scan it properly and you have to see once which is the order is right or wrong. So whether it is similarity is there or not. So that you have to do it, then you have to send it to me. That is what you have to do it. So if you have any doubts, you can ask me. You can see your answers, question numbers, have written it. For example, some of the people, they have written attempted only 4 questions, not scanned properly. I couldn't able to see your answers properly. Some of the comments they have written it. Don't repeat upcoming test. Same errors, don't repeat it once again. That's what I would like to say. Now I'll take the attendance. So second test, write it properly, study well before itself, then only you can be able to write it. Otherwise, be difficult. Answer attendance 2. Register number 2. 3.
Yes, sir.
4.
Yes, sir.
5. 6.
Yes, sir.
7. 8.
Yes, sir.
9. 10.
Yes, sir.
11.
Present, sir.
12.
Present, sir.
14. 15.
Present, sir.
16.
Present, sir.
17.
Present, sir. 17 present, sir.
18. Nidhi. 20. 20. 21. 22. 22. Rajesh. 24. Sahadev.
Present, sir. Present, sir.
25. Anand. 26.
Present,
Santosh.
sir.
27.
Yes, sir.
28. 29.
Present, sir.
30.
Present, sir.
31.
Present, sir.
32. 33.
Present, sir.
34.
Present, sir.
35. Next is 50, 19 series. Amruta.
Present, sir.
51. Make it
Present,
fast.
sir.
52.
Present, sir.
53.
Yes, sir.
54.
Present, sir.
55.
Present, sir.
56.
Present, sir.
57.
Present, sir.
58.
Present, sir.
59.
Present, sir.
60.
Present, sir.
61.
Present, sir.
62.
Present, sir.
63.
Present, sir.
64.
Present, sir.
65.
Present, sir.
66.
Present, sir.
67. 68.
Present, sir.
69.
Present, sir.
70.
Present, sir.
71.
Present, sir.
73.
Present, sir.
74.
Present, sir.
75.
73.
Right,
72 present.
right. 76.
Present, sir.
77.
Present, sir.
Right. So absent is
Sir, Harini present, sir.
Harini present 40 have given, yeah. So Anand absent, Rajesh absent. Huh? Preeti. Next is Antima.
Pradeep. Aditya.
Aditya. What were you doing? You were sleeping, huh? Huh?
Present, sir.
Present, sir. How many times I called you? Register number 22222. Right, sir. So you can join for the next class.
Network issue, sir.
Okay, sir.